On the 11th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 11 pipers piping. And now, sound the alarm for that scrapbooker extraordinaire, Teri Rice.
Yay, let's hear it for my MC. Okay, good morning, everybody. Today we are doing 11 pipers piping, and Ginger had asked us to create a Christmas horn. So, so I have to cough. So I took this gold foil, and I used a die that I used music before with it. And this time I've got another die that I had bought that has a whole bunch of bows. So I'm using this cute little bow on it. And actually I did not even finish it because I'm gonna put a little gold half pearl on it and put that right in the middle. So that's how it's really gonna look. I don't know how come I didn't put it on there. I just put it here. Okay, so what I decided to do was cut 2 of them because I want it to be nice and thick. Whoops, if I can pick it up. And I'm gonna put, I was gonna put maybe some holly on it or something. But I thought just in case my partner wants to use it a different time of year, then, you know, the holly wouldn't be there. So I figured just a bow kind of covers anything. But I liked it extra thick. And then I'm going to use some of these, is this my skinniest one? Yeah. So I'm going to use this on the back, kind of lift it up a little. Excuse me. Oh, and it's sticking to me. So this is going to be so fast, but I had to stop and cough anyway. Okay. Okay, now if I can get this back off the sticky stuff. I'm sorry. Okay, so I'm going to stick that right in the middle. And then add my little gold half pearl. Oh, it's a little bit crooked. You know, I can go for a long time without coughing, but as soon as I start talking, then I start coughing. Okay, so there's a little trumpet. And so that's it for today. And I'll see you tomorrow when we will be doing 12 drummers drumming. Now we'll have close-ups at the end. Go check everybody else out. And I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.